Joe here, founder of TenantCloud, and today I'm excited to share with you 3 of my favorite features about TenantCloud.com, all available to you for free. One of them being collecting rent online, the second one being our full suite of accounting, and the third being maintenance request. Have you ever had to travel around and hassle your tenants, trying to get the rent, driving from one side of the town to the next, only to find out they can't get it that day or maybe the next day? Well, why not automate that process? At TenantCloud.com, your tenants can log in, set up their bank account, and have it deposited directly into your bank account without ever leaving or needing to do anything. Which brings us to my second favorite feature, which is our accounting. Once they pay, it sends them an automatic receipt. If they're paid late based on what's set up, it does automatic invoicing for late fees. And when your accounting is fully set up, then when it comes tax time, easy to print out one report that shows all of your taxes with your income and your expenses already done. And my third favorite feature is the maintenance requests. Have you ever, traveled around? You had to find out that your tenant sends you, calls you on text, sends you an email, and you only get there to find out that it's a light bulb. Well, a bit frustrating. Now you can enjoy your time spending it with your family. Your phone buzzes, you can look at it, and on the tenant's app, they can send you a picture or a video of what the issue is. So you can look at it right there and assess the problem without having to drive to the rental. And then what's great, you can connect your service professional and have them involved where they can coordinate with the tenant a great time, and you can have access to it anytime, anywhere to see what's going on, but without the hassle of having to actually schedule it yourself. And so all that's available to you on TenantCloud.com for free. And today, thank you for letting me share with you my 3 favorite features on TenantCloud.com.